is during leap year. I get 1 day.
When there's 366
I get
days.
1 day, I give 1 day.
It's really not so great. Hi.
Hi. Hey, everybody. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all the good things, good vibes.
It is the Sunday before Christmas.
I know, right?
Right?
Can you believe that? How fast the year has gone by.
So fast. I do not even know how that happened.
Oh my gosh.
Bonkers.
Not a fan.
Not a fan of Christmas?
No, I love Christmas.
That's what I thought. Look at our outfits.
I know, I'm a little dapper, aren't
I like it. So handsome.
Put my vest on and my buttons. It's awesome. Well, hopefully you all are having a wonderful holidays.
Yes.
We had a great Thanksgiving. That was amazing.
It was very relaxing. Food was so good.
So good. And here we are. Christmas is already here.
It is.
My goodness, it just flew by.
I have to say, though, going back to Thanksgiving for a second, I really loved just watching the Macy's Day Parade. That was just, that's always one of the highlights for me.
And Santa.
Of course.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Of course.
It's pretty cool. So hopefully you're enjoying this time and you're making lots of cocktails.
Yes. What do we have for today?
So today we have a bourbon apple cider fizz cocktail. So this is going to be yummy.
Now, one of the key components to this recipe is the apple cider simple syrup. So we're going to show you how this was made right now.
All right.
Super easy, right?
Super duper simple.
Super easy. It did take a little longer though to reduce. I thought it was going to take 20 to 30 minutes. It took more like an hour and 20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
But that could have been just because I didn't have it at a rolling boil. It was at a slower boil. All right, let's get this cocktail made. I'm excited.
Yeah, all right.
I'm gonna grab our cranberries right here for our garnish.
I feel like you're just taking this one by the reins.
No, go ahead.
You want me to go for it?
Okay. I'll do the shaking.
It's been like a day since I've washed my hands.
No, that's not true. Not true. Stop. That's not true at all. All right, you want to start with our bourbon?
Yeah. All right. So you're gonna grab a little shaker cup here.
Shaker.
And we're gonna start with the bourbon, baby.
Yes. We're using
Bourbon.
Maker's Mark. Do you remember how many milliliters is an ounce?
Yeah.
Okay. Because that's more than an ounce in your hand. Just fucking.
Dana acts like she forgot what I do if I overpour. It finds its way into my body.
It's because Grant consistently overpours.
You know what? I'm a giver.
Yeah, that's true.
And
Very much so. Very much
sometimes
so.
I just want to give a little extra. All right, so we got 2 ounces of bourbon.
Yes.
And we're gonna do 3 ounces of the apple cider simple syrup. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, almost there. It's so interesting
poured
looking.
so quickly.
Yeah.
Oh, it's quite dark. I wonder if, so it's highly concentrated, obviously.
What does this remind me of? Like the consistency's really weird because
Well, it's thick.
it's not. I thought it would be more syrupy, but it's
It could be if I had
actually really
reduced it
thin.
even more.
It's really thin. Gosh, it looks like gravy.
It does not taste.
But it reminds me of something else. It'll come to me like caramel syrup. That's what it does.
Okay,
It looks
all right.
Okay, it looks like caramel syrup,
I got you on that.
but it's so thin
It's gravy.
It's gravy.
It's not gravy.
Straight up gravy.
Actually, half ounce is probably going to be half this amount right here. These are
A half ounce?
Yeah. These are Meyer lemons.
I think that one of those is an
my
ounce.
favorite. Want a whole lemon?
Yeah.
Here, let's try. Let's see. That's a third of an ounce. Oh!
Oh, there's the other.
There's the other.
There's the other bit.
There it is. We got it.
All right, perfect. That's why that was there. Now I understand. All right.
Oops.
So,
That was a lot.
about 3.5 ounces of these club soda.
At the end. Got to shake
After
first.
we do a little shakerino.
Got to shake.
Remember that time that I put the sparkling water into the shaker and I was like,
I think this is partly
shook it,
why
but
I like to
unfortunately
do
it wasn't
this
too much,
part.
so it didn't like blow up everywhere. That was pretty awesome.
That's because Grant shakes delicately. I like to shake vigorously.
I shake delicately.
Yeah.
I shake with respect.
Oh, okay. I kind of do like that. That's a nice twist on that. Ooh, we'll pop there. All right, we'll put some ice in that,
Yeah, totally.
please. We have our sledding snowman here. I
What
like
should I
him.
put in here?
That's probably good.
Yeah, one
Leave
more
a
for
little
good
bit
luck.
of room in there. Should
There
we
we
put
go.
it here? So-
Yeah, let's do it. This way y'all can see.
I don't think there's going to be any room. Where's the room for the soda? I need a different glass. I got the wrong glass out. There's no room for soda.
This is our first attempt at
Well,
this.
it always is. We don't ever make these in advance. Occasionally we do.
Well, we used to.
We used to.
We used to make pretty much all of them in advance.
Look at that. Good job.
And yep,
Yeah,
it's
there's
almost the
room.
exact
There's-
same amount. There's no 3 to 4 ounces room of sparkling, water in that.
I can make it bigger. Okay, hold on. I got this. Hold on. Here's where there's more room.
Oh, there we go. There it is.
Can we move this to the side?
There's the big dog. You sure this isn't servings of 2? Because this is,
Positive. Look at the
2
amount of
ounces of-
alcohol. Look at
I-
the amount of alcohol.
yeah, it's 2 ounces. I guess.
Oh, look at that. I got it to fit. It'll never come out.
There we go. Hey.
Look at that.
Hey, look
We
at that. Look at
saved
that.
it.
Okay.
We saved it. Good teamwork.
My goodness.
All right, you top with the soda.
All right.
Good luck with that opening. Oh, it opened this nicely. Oh, and I'm spilling cranberries
Yeah.
everywhere.
All right, you tell me when.
Okay. I say let's stop there. And we're gonna, here's our garnish, our cranberries.
Oh, yeah, that's fun.
That is fun. And
That's fun.
I like to stir with a chopstick. It is, if there's a bartender watching this, I'm sure they are going, what is this person doing? This is not appropriate.
Dana's over here. like,
Bartender.
I like to stir with a chopstick because that's the first thing I grabbed.
Yeah, well. Ooh, this smells amazing.
Just reach on in the drawer,
Look
pull
at how
out
this
random
is still
shit.
bubbling. You can't say that.
I mean, random things. I like to stir with a pair of scissors because, well, that's just what I grabbed.
Stop it. That's not true. This is delightful.
Is it
It's
really?
so good.
I don't know. You know how I feel about ciders?
Yeah, but taste it. Taste it. I think you're going to love it.
Oh, cinnamon.
It's so good. It's really, really good.
Ah, shoot, this is really good. This is really good. This is really, really good.
Yeah. I really think this is why.
No way.
Yeah, 100%.
No, I think it's probably something to do with this chopstick. There's something in the wood that
It's not true at all.
leaves its essence, its natural essence. Yeah.
I like it. It's good, right?
Yeah. No, it's really, really good.
The cranberries are just for color.
I'm gonna like drink all of it.
They're just for color. Wesley's gonna taste. He's
Yes,
running our camera today.
All right.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hit that like, hit the subscribe. We hope that your Christmas
Is amazing.
very merry.
Yep.
This
yep.
coming
hit
week.
that like, hit that subscribe, and share this Christmas cocktail
Yes.
with your friends, family, and other cocktail enthusiasts.
Yes.
And we will see you
Next Sunday.
next Sunday.
3:30 Pacific Standard Time.
You got it.
And it'll
For
be
another awesome
after
cocktail.
Christmas.
Mm-hmm. Have we decided on what we're going to be making?
Yes.
And what might now this?
Are we going to share it with them? Are we going to tell
Yeah,
them
we
now?
might as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is a spicy cranberry
Cranberry.
Moscow Mule.
Moscow Mule. How does that sound? Yeah. I love it. I love it. So this is going to be awesome because I
Yes.
love Moscow Mules.
Yes.
They got that little bit of bite to them with the ginger. Ooh, this is going to be good. We're still kind of in the season with the cranberry. A little bit of spice to it. Very nice to it. So this is
like
going to
it.
be awesome. I'm very excited to share that with y'all. So anyways, thank you all
Cheers.
again so much. Take care.
See you next week.